Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Insta360 camera to its app. First, ensure your camera is powered on. Next, activate both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then, open the Insta360 application. If it's your first time, please grant all requested permissions, such as location and nearby devices, for a smooth connection process. This initial setup is crucial for seamless operation. Once the app is open, locate and tap the yellow camera icon at the bottom of the screen. Your camera should appear in the list. Select it to initiate the connection. For the very first connection, you might need to confirm on your camera's touchscreen. If a password is required, the default is often 12345678. The effective Wi-Fi range is typically 10 meters without interference. If you encounter connection issues, first check that both your camera and the Insta360 app are running their latest versions. Confirm the app has all necessary permissions, including location and local network access. Sometimes, forgetting the camera's Wi-Fi network in your phone settings and reconnecting helps. For certain Insta360 models, Bluetooth can provide a basic connection for control, with an effective range of about 33 feet. With your camera successfully connected, the Insta360 app becomes your powerful remote control. You can now preview your shots live, adjust various shooting modes and parameters, and even edit your footage directly on your phone. The app also allows you to easily download your photos and videos from the camera's micro SD card to your mobile device for sharing or further editing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.